That was a fucking train wreck. Oh. Fuck.
Okay, so here's all the kit you have to bring. A lot of stuff. Boots, pants, jackets, thermals, gloves, beanies, and the classic jacket you always see in the pictures, that big orange one there.
In the cold by yourself. That's fucking classic Joe, eh? Yeah. You're gonna die, dude.
So here we are off to survival training, which is pretty much just a day or two sleeping in a tent and learning about what to do in an emergency. I just wanted to put this picture in of me, just to show you the conditions that are sometimes in Antarctica where you can't even see where the horizon ends and when Antarctica begins. So you can imagine how easily you can get lost out there. So this is the night we spent outside, but as you can see it's still daylight. I think when we recorded this it was midnight, I think. While we're in Antarctica it's daylight 24/7 during that season. So this is a piss bottle. You don't really want to mistake these for your water bottle in the night, which is why there's a big P sticker on the side of it. You've got to take these back to Scott Base when you're done with them, and you like empty them through a sieve into a sink, and that's not the greatest experience, eh?
Fuck, that's a good run.
Way more momentum, eh?
Yeah. That was a fucking train wreck. Oh. Fuck.
So this is a pretty cool part of New Zealand history that they've maintained and kept on Scott Base. It was built by Sir Edmund Hillary and a few other guys in 1953. So you can go in there, you can see how they're living and what sort of stuff they're using.
Oh, you can smell it.
Oh, it's warm in here.
It's warm in here.
Yeah, they had, so the air is continuously circulating through here. It's to basically make sure that nothing deteriorates. The kitchen was as
Didn't Hillary Murray, the former wife of the radio operator who died in an air crash with his wife?
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
Mm.
Yeah.
That's
Where's
this island.
Erebus? Where's Erebus? There's the
this-
Ross Ice Shelf. Oh,
Yeah.
It must be here.
Ross Island? Yeah, Ross Island, yeah.
So,
But yeah, it's pretty weird to look at, eh? Like without
Yeah.
the base that is now, like how it's not there at all.
Yeah.
And that's
Wow.
and they used to land planes just fucking over there, like
Wow.
right there.
But my mum would actually kill for this.
Yeah, yeah.
She made a fucking like 3.5 hour fucking trip for it once to pick up a mixing bowl. Like,
What the fuck is this?
it's melts the water apparently. So just throw the ice ice in there.
Oh, so it's like a furnace type of thing.
Yeah.
Wow. And that's what?
Is that how they would heat the base as well?
Oh, they're primuses. Oh,
Is that
okay.
how they heat the
Yeah.
base as well? So would that go up and for
Yeah.
the vents and shit?
Yeah, exactly.
So, is that for cutting meat? What's that?
Yeah.
That's mate slicer, bro.
Alright.
Same design still
Got
used.
the old school crackers there as well.